In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to your Google Business profile. This simple yet effective technique is an essential skill for all business owners wanting to increase their online presence and attract more customers by showcasing their products, premises, or team in action. Follow along as we dive into each step, explaining the process and providing you helpful tips along the way. First things first, you need to navigate to the Google Business Profile website. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and go to Google Business Profile's homepage. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to sign in with the one associated with your business. This is the foundation of your journey. Ensuring the correct account is crucial for managing your business information effectively. Once you're signed in, look for the Add Photos button. This button is your gateway to enhancing your profile with images that represent what your business is all about. Clicking on this will lead you to the next step in enhancing your profile's visual appeal. Now you'll be prompted to select the photos or videos you wish to upload. This step is where you get to choose the images that best showcase your business. Before selecting your photos or videos, it's a good idea to have a clear plan of what aspects of your business you want to highlight. Whether it's the ambience of your location, the meticulous detail of your work, or the smiling faces of your team, choosing the right visuals can significantly impact how potential customers perceive your business. Then it's time to click on Drag Photos or Videos here to upload your chosen files. If you've planned ahead and have your images or videos neatly organized, this step will be a breeze. Simply drag and drop your files into the designated area and watch as they begin to upload. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection. During this time, you might want to consider how these images will be perceived and ensure they're in line with the message and branding you want to communicate. As you undertake this process, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, quality matters. High quality, clear images can significantly enhance your profile and attract more attention. Second, keep it fresh. Regularly updating your photos can give potential customers a sense of your business's dynamism and keep them engaged. Finally, remember the power of storytelling. Use your images to tell a story about your business, your team, and the services or products you offer. By following these steps, you'll not only enrich your Google Business profile, but also improve your business's online visibility and appeal to potential customers. Remember, in the digital age, a picture really is worth 1,000 words. So, select your images wisely, upload them with care, and start making a more substantial impact today.